Let's make a seesaw activity where students can tell us about something that made them laugh this week. So let's go ahead and tap on the green plus button. Tap on Assign Activity. This will bring us to our My Library space in Seesaw, and we'll tap on Create New Activity. Here, let's put our directions, and we'll title this What Made You Laugh This Week. Oops. All right, and I will quickly type some directions in here. So I want my students to tap on the pencil tool. So the code for that is : drawing : and draw a picture. Then they can have some choices here. So they can tap the label tool. That'll put in the little T. And then they can write about something that made them laugh this week. Or they could tap the pencil tool and write about something that made them laugh this week. Or maybe they need to tell me orally what happened. So they can tap the microphone and tell me about what made them laugh this week, and then tap on the pause button to stop recording. And then finally, they'll tap the check to turn their work in to me. Now for this, I want to add a little multimedia image to this, so I'll tap on Add Multimedia Instructions or Example. I'm going to upload this photo. I'll select it from my computer, and I'm going to look at my Downloads folder for this little smiley JPEG that I got earlier from the Pixabay.com website. Pixabay is a great place for teachers to get photos that are royalty and copyright free. I wouldn't recommend using Pixabay with your students though. All right, it will be a lot larger than this, so I'm going to go ahead and tap the check mark. See, it fills up the screen. So I will tap the check mark again. I'll wait for that to upload. All right, great, there it is. And now I want to add some voice instructions just in case my students have difficulty reading this so that they'll be able to hear it. So I'll tap on Add Voice Instructions. If this was your first time using the microphone, you would get a little pop-up asking you for permission to use the microphone. So I'll tap this mic. Tap the pencil and draw a picture. I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and I'm going to show you a quick tip here. Since I need to redo that, I'll just tap on this X to delete it, and then I can start over. So I'll tap Add Voice Instructions, and I'll start recording. Tap on the pencil and draw a picture. Tap on the label tool and write about something that made you laugh this week. Or you can have some choices. Tap the pencil and write about that thing that made you laugh this week. Or you can tap on the mic and tell me about what made you laugh this week. Tap the pause button to stop recording. When you're finished, tap the check to turn your work in to me. All right, and I'll just tap pause to stop that recording. It will pop up pretty quickly here, and I could play that to review it. I'm going to go ahead, though, and leave it as it is. And now I'm going to go ahead and go down to Save. If I wanted to attach a skill, I could come in here and I could attach my skill, but I'm just going to go to Save. And there's my activity. It did fill in all of those little icons in the place of where those codes were. All right, so I am going to assign this to my class, and I'll put it in a folder. So I'll tap the folder tab here, and I'm going to put it in this social emotional learning folder. And then I'll tap the green check mark and assign. There we go. Now my students will have this activity.